Hey foodies, welcome back to our channel Cravings Feed Your Feelings. Today we'll see the recipe for kombdi vada. In my previous video where I have given the recipe for kombdi rasa, that is Malwani chicken, I have informed you guys that it is consumed with kombdi vada. So let's see the recipe for that. To make kombdi vada, we need 1 cup of jowari flour, 1 cup wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of urad dal flour, 1 tablespoon semolina, that is rava, salt to taste, half teaspoon methi powder and pinch of hing. To make it a dough, we'll knead it with warm water. We'll add little warm water and mix with the flours. As we have different types of flours used here, so all the flours will not cook at the same time, it will take time. That's why we have used warm water, because it will help to flourish and help to cook also while kneading only. So we'll make soft dough like this. Apply little oil on top of it to give a proper good shape, and we'll keep for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes we'll check. It is very soft now, but we'll knead once again before processing ahead. And now we'll take a plastic like this. We'll apply a little oil on top of it, and from the dough we'll make a small ball and we'll keep on this plastic, and we just have to tap and make it in a round shape like a puri shape. Only tap, make round shape, and thickness will be little normal like puri. Give it a proper shape, keep on the hard surface, and then if it is sticky, then you can apply little oil in your fingers, and then you can tap and make a good shape. And now we'll fry it. So here we have heated the oil in high temperature, but we have added the puri in this, and now I will lower my flame because it's all flours. I want everything to be cooked from inside also, so that's why I will keep the flame low and fry it. It will take little time, but it will cook from inside as well. If I will fry it on high flame, then it will get brown color from the outside easily, and from the inside when you will eat, you will feel that it is not cooked. As you can see, it is flourished well and looking so delicious. So next we'll make a shape like a vada. We'll make one hole in between, and let's see the process for that. Again, I have taken a small ball from the dough, and on this plastic I have applied oil, and in my fingers also I have applied oil because it's little sticky. Tap, making a round shape, and see, I have applied one little oil in my finger, and from the finger only I made the hole, and now it goes in the oil. Now again the flame is lower to medium flame, and I am frying this. One side is cooked, I flipped it, and I am cooking from the other side too. It will become little brown, and from the inside it will cook nicely. And then this kombdi vada is you can eat with kombdi rasa. Same way we'll make all other puris or vada. So basically kombdi vada is purely a vegetarian like a puri, but it is named as kombdi vada because it is consumed with kombdi rasa. That's the only reason this vada is called kombdi vada. Otherwise it is totally healthy and good to eat with any type of rasa. So foodies, try this recipe, and my earlier recipe also, the kombdi rasa and this kombdi vada, combine and eat and try. And if you haven't seen my previous video of kombdi rasa, do visit it. It is very awesome dish and the combination will just amazing. And yes, please like and subscribe my channel if you haven't done it yet, because this type of recipes with different type of recipes I will keep posting for you guys. So my very healthy and delicious kombdi vada is ready to eat. Enjoy your food and keep safe distance, be safe, be healthy and keep eating. Bye bye. Thank you.